Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. How are we doing? I'm sure a lot of emotions are going on, right? Don't trade with the emotion, as we talked about the 5 tips on how to be successful, right? I'm tired as hell. I don't know how you guys are feeling tonight, ladies and gentlemen. I'm exhausted. Tonight, I know I've said it before. If you want to learn how to make Sicto in crypto, hit that like, subscribe. I've said it before. If there's not another night to have a good night's sleep, tonight's going to be one of those nights. I know it doesn't make sense to y'all. I know it's probably screwed up me saying that. But at this point in time in the game, this sucks. If you did not get out, if you did not liquidate some of your loss or some of your profits, however you stand in the market tonight or today, whatever time it is in your time of view, your Eastern time, Western time, across the world, wherever you are, we are looking for this Bitcoin dominance to move. This is crazy. What's going on, Carlos? What's going on, Sean? How are we doing this evening? Holding anchor and stellar, not trading on emotion. Awesome. I love to hear it, Sean. I saw that some whales took advantage and liquidated some longs. I don't know if it's credible rumor, but that's why it dipped. 1,000%. Why does it always dip? Besides the fact that we hear China, having issues with whatever power outage or whatever the hell happened with their mining, right? I don't know if you heard about that not too long ago. But let's be real. This is the whales. The whales are making money. They're making money, honey, and that's the title of this. If you pay attention, the title is the whales, right? They're involved. Once again, don't let the whales win. What did anybody watch my video this morning? I don't know if you saw it this morning. I talked about this morning on how on the forward, this is the daily. So the daily, we're losing big time still. But did anybody see my video this morning? How I said this is not looking too good. We broke this down, and I explained to you that the problem with this was we just kept falling. If you kept seeing there was a new pattern, a new time where we would fall. This is not a good sequence. This is what is happening. Is the same way of people FOMOing in. How's it going, Alex? Yeah, you just got to stay positive, right? But that's not even positive. Let's stay real. The realization is this is not going to zero. We're still in a long-term bull market. This is all real stuff. You follow what I'm saying? Like this is not hype BS. We are legitly just having a healthy correction. A little more than I feel as normal. Like for me, I was accepting a little bit less, but when I seen the technical analysis and I looked at the charts, and it started making sense because the forwardly is just telling us so much. I mean, look at this. You go into here, right? You look down. As I told you, I saw a descending triangle. I was hoping for an ascending, but it's not. So we got a descending triangle. This just gets annoying. You got to fix it. When you look at it, and it's ugly as hell, you just adjust. When you look at it, we are falling, and as we keep dipping to the next line and the next resistance, I said 50,000 was going to come. I said now it wasn't definitely coming. I said that it was a scenario. We felt like the weatherman, and I said that this is what happens. You have to play all the scenarios out. What's going to happen, right? And then we dip down through even further. Where did we go? Right here. I just wanted to see if I can get where we touched. Perfect. So we're right about at the 55,000. And if you look at this now, we were getting some type of support, right? We thought that we were going to do the purple as our support. Well, we're in trouble now. So now we came all the way down, broke through as you keep moving your stick. What's going on with this stick? Well, we're trying to go to 47,000. I said if we hit 50,000, we're going to 47. This is crazy, but it sucks. It's like, ETH is holding, yes, but you got to remember it's still going down with Big Daddy. As we explained that Daddy's home in the Song of Usher, Bitcoin was Daddy, and this is basically, I'm up at 5 in the morning, so to me right now this is late, even 9:40, but I don't care. I can't wait to watch Mortal Kombat tomorrow. I'm so excited. But what was the price down here, right? This was the lip I was worrying about. Yeah, there it is, that scary spot. Ugh. So this is a very, very old spot where we used to live in the Bitcoin world. Trying to get it closer because I want to show you a better technical look. Then we'll go to the EMA ribbons, and then we'll take a better in-depth look of the charts because right now we are falling so bad on these charts. We can't even get a flip on this ribbon right now. It's so bad. The EMA ribbon looks horrible. Look at it. Now it's just dipping down more. You don't even need to see any more indicators. This is enough indicators for me. We're going to 50. We're going under 50,000. I don't know what to tell you. If you want to, I'm not touching nothing. I am not touching a single thing. People are FOMOing out. Well, just the same way as FOMOing in and FOMOing out, it's the same way. The whole market's crashing. People are messaging me upset. There's nothing you can do about any of this. You don't look at it. I mean, look, it's crashing. People are taking losses. People are taking profits. This is what's happening. This is why I went live. I was going to wait another hour, and I decided, you know what? Let me go until this thing really start crashing because I don't want people to think I'm hiding. Wall Street Pete don't hide. Pay attention to the 47,000 as I really get closer to what we're looking at. This is where we are going to live, most likely. Get over it. Maybe you won't be trading for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But guess what? Remember what I taught everyone. Technical analysis is beautiful, right? We went to the dollar. What happened? Well, if you look, we've had nothing but up, up, up. One. These are days. This is daily candles on the Bitcoin. I want you to pay attention. March 26th, okay? We go back as far as a month, okay? Almost a month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We'll stop right there, even though we started falling. 21 days, how many candles were nice green candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So half of the candles were long, huge green candles, right? Let's not talk about how many candles were red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we only went down 5 days out of 21. And you're upset about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. It's a week. We went 3 weeks with only 3 days, 4 days going bad. This is how your technical analysis is screwed up when you're looking at price. This is okay. The problem, what happens now, is everybody FOMOs out. Instead of FOMOing in, most of the people FOMO out. They're having mini heart attacks. And I guess we're human, right? It shows that we're human. Let's be real. We're human, right? Unless we're robots or we're aliens and we're Elon Musk. Unless we're Elon Musk. So this is my point. Buy SafeMoon. This is one of my moves. I'm converting Bitcoin. Take your Bitcoin to Bitcoin. Go into your spot and buy with the Bitmart. Today, you can go to Bitmart, and you can go into here, and you can buy SafeMoon. Why am I telling you? Because SafeMoon is definitely going to be something that changes the world. It basically burns tokens, and it keeps the scarcity moving. If you've never heard about the SafeMoon, you got to look into it. We'll do more on it, I promise. It's just that I'm really tired, and this market going down just makes me want to go to sleep. Because what happens? What was one of my tips? What was one of my tips about being successful in trading in this market? Do not look at your portfolio. I'm in a mini whale snatching up right now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You got to think like that. What we're waiting for is 15-minute maybe. I don't know. We're looking for a flip on the band, right? We got a quick flip on the band here. I thought we got excited on the 15-minute. It was such a short-lived 15-minute band. If you looked at your indicators, we knew it was BS. That's what happens. You see the yellow? I hope people can see this. Look at the yellow band. If you notice the yellow band on my ribbon here, the EMA ribbon, it'll flip a darker color when we're going up. That's the lovely of the red and the colors of this weighting average. Estimated moving average is EMA, if anybody was wondering what it was. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. You would think I'm cracked out of my mind right now. I'm exhausted. Hi, Pete. Just got here. Sup? Corey Little John. What's up, Little John? Thanks for your video. Do you think I should buy and hold anchor in Dogecoin or get out and go to another? All right, so this is the one. You know what? I'm glad we do this stuff live. This is why this is awesome, because I get to interact with my fam. If you're not buying right now, if you're not buying the dip, did nobody see the buying the dip? Do I have to go into my phone? Because now I'm not allowed on Facebook, right? We know that. I'm one banned off Facebook, probably not anymore, but I'm done with Facebook. But when I tell you buy the dip, did you not see this video that started a whole war of hell? Pay attention if you can see that. Buy the dip, right? That's me. That's Bitcoin, and I'm buying the dip. I'm sorry this is so horrible. So I had it on a picture. I'll put it back on there. I guess I'll have to put it back so we don't do this on my phone no more. It looks so horrible. Buy the dip, and Facebook kicked me off Facebook because of it. It was offensive. I hurt somebody's feelings. Get rid of Facebook. All it is a bunch of scam artists trying to get your information. Know when you coughed, know when you took a piss, know when you took a shit, know when your kid was sick, know when you took off work, know where you work, know when you were born, know everything about you. It's horrible. Get rid of Facebook. I'm serious. These types of investments that you're in the cryptocurrency and all those closed groups that you're in, get rid of them. And if you did not listen to me, I'm hearing some good news about Cardano. Oh, yes, there's a lot of good news about Cardano coming out. He was very happy tonight. I watched his video, Charles Hoskinson. What a video. He was in such a good mood. I know something's going on, and I can't buy enough Cardano. Cardano is going to be the mano. There's so many coins that have great networks. You just got to be careful and take advantage of the few that are really going to be solid. Like I said, BNB was on a cheap, right? We went all the way to 609. I sold out at 609 on my BNB. What a move that looks like now. Honestly, it's about time I did something right there. I definitely got out of my BNB. If you don't believe me, you could take a peek probably at my recent history. Look, there it is. 609. I told everybody I'd be getting out. I got out. BNB, I bought at 511. I was excited. Look at my ribbon. My ribbon's in the move. It's showing it's moving. It's still good. It's still good, right? We're still showing some love. And then there's the band flipping. You see it? Look, I want everyone to see this because this is huge. If you don't start seeing this stuff on our charts, you're in trouble because we're going to make money when we start making them on this uptrend coming now. Look, see the band? We're going to start learning. These are bands I used to do by myself. Now I'm teaching with you. I'm trying to slowly educate my followers. I'm trying to slowly get us into all the indicators, all the things we need to do instead of just doing a TradingView tutorial. And we're just going to learn all this stuff. The band, look where the band was. See the band was on the backside, right? We were going up. Now look as we go up, you can't see it no more, right? That's interesting because we were starting to flip. We were starting to fall, and it came back. You see that? That's your EMA ribbon. You have to pay attention because when your EMA ribbon is back here and it's showing its backside like this, it's like twerking for you. If you think about it, it's like doing a little twerk, and it flips back again. You get scared. We're going down, and then you look, and you start seeing it disappear, and you're like, oh, and then you start riding the wave, and you get your indicators, and then you know when you see that flip again, all of a sudden, right, Flip is showing his hat. And then you pay attention to that and you get out and all these lines. We're going to learn all this stuff. It's going to take a lot of time. I did see that, just making sure that nothing has changed. I'm in and buying. I need to know what you bought at. What's your price? What is your buy anchor at? Put it this way, are you in a profit or are you in a loss? Because if you're in a loss, then my answer is no, don't sell out. If you're in a profit, well, then you're kind of a little late, right? Didn't you kind of miss the boat? I told you that there was a chance this morning, if you watch my videos, and if you're new to me, my channel, then I'm sorry. I understand your pain. But no BS. This morning, before I showed these bands, I said, I don't even want to pull it up because I hate watching previous videos. I don't want to pull it up, but I'll tell you right now, I said that we were going to come down. It looked bad. I said that we kept falling and falling, and I said if it kept happening, I showed the scenario of the 73,000, but I also said this is not looking that good. We got that full M. I've never seen a rising M such as bad as this one. This is a really bad one. It's tough. But expect people to start buying in, hopefully at some point. If not, everyone is FOMOing out. They're killing the price. And hopefully, like I said, we got to stop at this 47,000 price, or we're going to see worse. We're going to be under 40,000, and then we're in trouble. I'll tell you right now, this is what I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have the dollar cost average out myself. It's almost like a freaking selling frenzy. So what's going to happen is I have to take a small percentage or hold my testicles till they pop. I mean, really, it's at this point now. This is where we're going. The Bitcoin dominance has to be 50. You understand me? This is the daily chart. The Bitcoin dominance has to be above 50. I always explain that because it's really important to be in a bull market. We are still in a bull market. Look, there it is. We're above 50. As long as we stay and we never fall through, we're fine. We're really close. We're really testing. I mean, the Bitcoin dominance has fell over the days if you look at it. The whales are making money. It is what it is. There's nothing we could do. There's blood in the streets. Bad. Yeah, there's a lot of bad blood. Hi, everyone. My crypto has taken a major beating tonight. Laugh out loud. I thought I was down $5,000. I thought that was bad. Listen, I had money in U.S. for a bad day like today. Thank God I have some money in U.S. for a bad day. But you know what my problem is as we're going under 50,000? We're going back up on the Bitcoin dominance, as you see. See it rising as we literally are staring at it? That's a daily rise. We are doing well. We're doing fine. Pay attention. Pay attention. The money when we hit under 50 was just bought. Something significantly is getting bought. I'm telling you right now, you don't get this action much. Wow. You see what's happening right here? Now look at the price. Nothing's happening to the price if you think about it compared to what's really going on with this move. This is good. I wouldn't stress about this. We're coming back. Eventually, we'll be back. Anybody just have to pay attention. Oh, nice. I just got a notification that I can buy SafeMoon. That's kind of cool. Now that we're moving up, this might be a good time to do that. I did a test BTC transfer. I transferred to Bitmart, and now I have some Bitmart. Now I'm going to take my Bitmart, my USD Tether. I'm going to sell it once I find out how to do that. I know how to do it, but there it is. I found it. So I go into my market, and then I put a sell stop in. I'll do a market order, sell. As soon as Bitcoin starts rising, I really don't want to. Honestly, I don't want to sell my Bitcoin yet. I want to make more Bitcoin first. I know that we're going up here because I'm watching the dominance. So I'm being smart, right? I'm doing something live. I'm teaching you live. You will see the price rise in the morning. I totally agree, Luke. I tell you, Luke, one day I would like to sit down with you and Jordan or in Victoria and have a couple of you in my Zoom. And we're going to have a nice, educated, wonderful conversation. I want nothing but smiles. I really do. I like some of the conversations that me and Luke have. Alex, too. Let's not forget about Alex. There isn't a bear market, but this is how you get big gains. Yep, it's the truth. This is why I'm sitting here waiting for my Bitcoin price to move up before I sell it and I buy SafeMoon. Even though I think SafeMoon is going to be a nice purchase, and you can get over 50,000 shares with $100 right now, which is ridiculous. Imagine getting 1 million shares and really making that growth. This is a big deal. There's a lot of good things to come. Some people don't realize the growth in the crypto market. Some people pay attention to the portfolio going up and down. It hurts. I totally understand, but you got to understand technical analysis. It'll save your ass. Pay attention. Have a group of followers. Follow the people that you can trust. Follow the people who talk about this. Get into a group text with some friends. Start a group chat. Hey, what do you think about Wall Street Pete today? You think he was crazy? Do you think he was spot on when he said we could see 47,000, 50,000? And we did. We seen 50,000. I hope we're done. Honestly, I think we're done. See, what my worry was that we were going to hit under 50,000 and the FOMO out was going to go nuts. A lot of people wish they could buy. That's why when I tell you and I do a video and I go live in the morning and I say, hey, I think we're going to hit 47,000, 50,000, you have to start taking profits. Don't you understand that this needs to be an everyday thing? You need to start taking profits. If you wake up in the morning and you're having a bad day, you need to start changing your bad day. Look, the dominance is going up. I mean, it's significantly rising. This is, look at the 15, and now it really looks sexier, right? It looks wonderful. Look at the Bitcoin dominance flying. I don't need to pay attention to it no more. I'm really excited. I hope we're done with that garbage. We don't need that negative in our life. What's going to happen now? So get ready to hear what's going to happen now. I'm going to show you on the forwardly. Get excited. So when Bitcoin is done with this BS, we're going to go get some of this action. This is going to be tough. Now, I don't know. It depends on how hard. We're under, I don't know if anybody knows. Does anybody know we're under $1 trillion under the market cap for Bitcoin? We're under $1 trillion. We're no longer $1 trillion market cap right now. That's effing scary. But the fact that we just went from under 40,000 to 51,000 that fast is wild. The money is FOMOing, so you're not going to get this boring sideways action like this. I thought we were going to get this. Look at the price. That price is nuts. Really, it's going to be something like this, though. I'm trying to explain to you. We're going to hit up here like we hit before. It's not going to be a surprise. This price is $60,250. So I'm just going to let you off with the night on this thought. So right there. Right about there. That's good enough. We're going to get this type of action, and then we'll fall again because people will take profits. And this is where we hit an old resistance, and this seems to be the spot. I'm talking like this on purpose because this is what we've been dealing with. It's like you know what it is? It's like Groundhog's Day. I swear, it's like Groundhog's Day. And then you know what? We're not going to hit too much resistance because what's going to happen? The money's going to pile in, and we're going to probably start flying some sideways action until we bust up again. Look, this is how Bitcoin works. And if you don't realize it, then you're learning. Right now, you're learning how it works. It does that type of formation. That's how it works. Sooner or later, we'll be back moving and grooving, and before you know it, we'll be in the 73,000, and all those extra shares that got bought with the money that was made by the whales is going to explode. Pete is great and cares about people. I really do. I do hate people just as much, though. Don't get me wrong. There's some people that really make me want to hate them, and I try not to feel that way. I try to stay positive. Thoughts on Newsweek article on SafeMoon came out today. I'm buying SafeMoon. Can I buy SafeMoon? Yeah, I want to get off this video so I can buy it right now. So listen to me. Have a wonderful night. Have a good day. I see that Bitcoin's going up. I'm definitely getting my money back where I transferred the Bitcoin over. So this is good. I'm actually above where I transferred it. I was at 51,000. We're above now. So I'm transferring over. Buy some SafeMoon. Give it some time. Dollar cost average into SafeMoon is what I'm doing. And think some happy thoughts. There's nothing but positivity coming out of this. It's not going down to zero. Stop looking at your portfolio. And tomorrow morning, listen to a good vibe. Get into the mood. Hopefully, we'll be coming on. We'll have a much higher price. We'll be back in the 54,000, 55,000. If that happens, you'll be happy as hell, right? I know I will. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Peace in and peace out. I hope you have a wonderful night. Stop stressing. It's not worth it. We'll be fine. Don't look at your portfolio one last time. Hit that like and subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon.